12y power 4. Okay, and I have 18y power y power 7. Okay, so in this case, I want to know what is the greatest common factor, right? So I have to factor the numbers, get the greatest common factor in numbers. I also have to factor the variables, get the greatest common factor in variables. So if you look at numbers first, look at the 12 and the 18. I want to know what's the common factor for the 12 and 18. I have to factor each one, right? So I look at the 12, factor this, divide by 2, right? It become 6, you divide by 2, it becomes 3, divide by 3, get 1. So that's already 2 times 3, right? Y power 4. The other one is 18. It's also factor 18. Just maybe I do that here. 18, you divide by 2, you get 9, and divide by 3, you get 3, divide by 3, you get 1, right? So that's 2 times 3, y power 7. Okay? So now if you look at both now in numbers, you see that already there is a 2 here, there's a 2 here. That's a common factor, isn't it? Right? And there's a 3 here also, and there's a 3 here common factor. So what's the common factor? 6. This 2, and also this 3. Both of them in numbers are the common factor. So that means what? That means that the greatest common factor, there's 2 parts. In numbers, it is 6, right? And in the variables, we said it's always the lowest power. The lowest power is 4 here, so it will be y power 4. That's it. That's it. So the greatest common factor is equal to this. 6y power 4. Clear now the idea how do we get the greatest common factor for any terms, including the numbers and the variables. Let us see another example. It's a smaller one maybe. Suppose I have 6y, let's not make it y, let's just make it x again. Okay, x power 2. And then suppose I have 4x power 5. And then suppose I have 12x power 6. Okay, I want now the common factor in all of them. Okay, again, I look at the numbers 6 and 4 and 12, and then I look at the variables x squared, x power 5, x power 6. But if you look at the numbers 6 and 4 and 12, what is the common factor? 2 only, right? And that will be clear if you factor. This is 2 times 3. This is 2 times 2. This is 2 times 2 times 3, right? You see already this 2 already is here, and here, and here. So 2 is a common factor. Do you see anything else repeated in all of them? Nothing is repeated in all of them. Because this already 3 here, but not here. And this extra 2 here, not here. So that's it. Khalas, we stop here. So so the greatest common factor, the greatest common factor is in numbers 2. Now how about variables? X squared, x power 5, x power 6. X squared, the one that has the lowest power. That's it. So that's why it's going to be 2x squared. The greatest common factor is 2x squared. Clear now? That's it.